Welcome and thank you everybody for joining us at this year's virtual presentation of the Concrete Repair and Refurbishment Awards in association with the Concrete Society. I'm Lauren Fairley, Secretary of the Association, and I'm joined here today by Johnny Thelbeck, Vice Chair, to announce the shortlist and the winner later on. The CRA felt it was important to participate in this year's awards, even in these strange times, and without having a glass of champagne in hand and seeing Anton de Beck receive 10s all round. These projects still show excellence of all our members' work, and we wanted to recognise the entrants for that. This year has seen a massive change both to business and personal life. The association remains here to support members and has been monitoring government developments, publicising the operational site procedures and addressing very topical mental health issues during our summer webinar. We've been working closely with the Concrete Society on the promotion and announcement of the shortlisted projects. Most of you will have seen the Concrete Society Awards presented on the 9th of November, and hopefully you've seen the promotion through our social media channels and the website of the shortlisted projects. All the projects will be featured in the next CRA bulletin and the Concrete magazine produced by the Concrete Society, both coming out in December, so please keep an eye out for that. And of course, we'll feature both on our website and the Concrete Society website as well. So with no further ado, I'll pass you over to Johnny to announce the winners. Johnny, over to you.
Hello everyone. For those that don't know me, I'm Johnny Thelbeck from Remers and the Vice Chairman of the Concrete Repair Association. I'd like to start by congratulating all the entries who were shortlisted for the CRA Repair and Refurbishment Awards. And all the entries to this year's awards have highlighted how the needs of complex projects can be met through truly innovative solutions. In a year that's proven to be extremely testing, it's fantastic that CRA members can continue to work on projects such as those shortlisted to such a high standard. This year's judging panel was made up of impartial individuals from the CRA, which included myself in my position as Vice Chair, Steve Richards in his capacity as immediate past Chair of both the Association and the Alliance Publicity Committee, and Trevor Box in his position as the Technical Representative for the Association. Now to the main event. So firstly, we'd like to award the highly commended awards, which firstly go to Fosrock and Bettenbaum for their joint work on the new bridge on Wye in Powys. And the second highly commended award to go to PJ Meir for their work on the Balfour Tower project. Now to the main award, and this year's winner is Currell, Lewis and Martin Construction for their work on the A38M DC 1016 concrete repairs and ICCP project. Well done. This concrete repair and cathodic protection project was part of an ongoing repair strategy for the Midlands Links motorway viaducts. The project involved the repair and protection of elevated bridge deck soffits, support columns and panel walls. The structure's condition had deteriorated to such an extent which meant intervention had become essential. By intricately planning phase CRs and the installation of CP to the deck soffit, CLM achieved keeping all 8 lanes of the A38 into Birmingham, a road travelled by more than 71,832 people, operational without customer interruption. The location of the works area and compound meant it was critical that a robust one-way system and transport plan was designed and implemented for the project. In addition, the project was located adjacent to the River Tame, a known floodplain, and this meant the project also needed to provide the Environmental Agency with a detailed flood risk plan, emphasising initial plan and layout through to robust reactive measures if flooding occurred. This winning project demonstrates an ability to deliver a complex proposal dealing with multiple complications to provide a solution that exceeded client expectations. There was a detailed approach to hazard exposure, as well as the precise use of robotic hydrodemolition, which stood out. We'd like to thank you all for viewing our virtual awards, and we hope everyone is keeping safe. We hope to see you all in person next year, so please keep up to date with our social media posts for upcoming events, advice and guidance. Thank you for attending and have a virtual drink on us.